welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I am making Besan Laddu, which is gram flour laddu. It is a Indian dessert. So for that we have taken very simple ingredients. So for that I have taken 1 cup of besan, that is gram flour, and half a cup of sugar powder. I have used white sugar, and about 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is over here, and some sesame seeds just for the garnishing, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of crushed cashew nuts and some cashew nuts for garnishing, about 1/4 cup of clarified butter, that is desi ghee, plus 2 tablespoons more. So this is how we'll using all these ingredients will make the besan laddu. And I really hope that you like this recipe. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. This recipe is really very easy and even bachelors can make it when they miss their mums or they're living out of station and they want to try some Indian delicacy, that is some Indian dessert. So it is really very easy. It just takes some time to fry the besan, the gram flour. Otherwise this recipe is very easy. So do try, guys. So let's start with our cooking. So over here I have turned on the flame and putting in the clarified butter, and we'll wait till it gets heated nicely. Putting in the gram flour, that is besan, and stir it very quickly so that it doesn't get burnt. And now the main hard work starts, that we need to fry this gram flour, this besan, very nicely. We can't leave it raw. So on low to medium flame we continuously will stir it and we will cook it, and this will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep stirring nicely and we'll keep moving it from one side to another so that it doesn't get overburnt from one side. So you have to keep mixing everything and you have to keep stirring well. After 15 minutes you can see that color of the gram flour has changed, and now I have turned off my flame and will let it cool. Once you have turned off the flame, just add cardamom powder and mix everything well. And after that add these cashew nuts and mix everything well and let it cool. Once you can easily touch the mixture, we will transfer it in a mixing tray, adding the roasted gram flour into it. And now we'll add sugar and mix it with hand, or you can use spoon also. Mix everything well. Let's start to make laddus. It's cool now. You can give any desired shape like oval or circle as per your wish. Roll between your hands. You can see there are no cracks. This is how you need to prepare it, and then garnishing it with a cashew nut. Press a bit and then putting little bit of sesame seeds just for the decoration, and just press them lightly with your hands and your first laddu is ready. Let's prepare other also. As you can see, our laddus are ready. So now let's serve it. So friends, here it is. So our besan laddu, gram flour laddu are ready and they are yummy. I have already eaten two, and I really hope that you like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like, and do share the comments that how did you like my recipe. So I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.